This short yoga flow is to open your body to receive a positive intention. Join me in any upright seated position that suits you. Close down your eyes. Take one hand over your heart, another hand over your belly. Setting an intention for what it is you desire to receive through your gentle, quick flow and for the rest of your day. Set that intention now. Take a deep inhale. Exhale out of the mouth. Take another deep inhale. Exhale out of the mouth. Another deep inhale. Exhale out of the mouth. Join me on hands and knees in tabletop. Coming into your movement of cat-cow. Moving mindfully. Moving with your intention. And allowing the breath to guide you. Coming to a neutral spine and gently moving into child's pose. Surrendering anything that no longer serves you so that you can openly receive the intention you set. At the same time, opening your heart to receive. On the next inhale, gently walk the hands back, lifting the head, the neck, and the shoulders, coming to a straight spine. Resting your palms facing down on top of your knees, coming into a seated cat-cow, inhaling forward. Exhale, tuck the chin into the chest. Moving quickly or slowly, honoring your body intuition. Allowing the breath to guide you. And staying focused on your intention. Gently coming back to center, pausing there a moment, and then bringing the hands on top of the shoulders. Fingers are pointed forward, thumbs are back. Close down the eyes. You're going to inhale to your left and exhale to your right, twisting the spine, opening the heart. You can move quickly or slowly. Honor what your body needs right now. start to slow it down, coming to center, pausing there a moment. Take a deep inhale. Hold the breath. Exhale, release. Palms facing up on top of your thighs, your knees. And just pause and be for a moment. Turning the palms face down on top of the knees or the thighs. Inhale, shrugging the shoulders up. Exhale, release down. Inhale up, exhale down. Shrugging off anything that is a weight on the shoulders. Anything that feels like a I should. Just shoulder it off. Let it roll down. Shake it off. And focus on your intention. Inhale, shrug the shoulders high up to the ears. With a deep, deep inhale, fill up the body with prana, that healing energy, and hold the breath. Exhale, release, sigh it out of the mouth. Let it all go. And just pause and be for a moment. And then inhaling the head to the left, and then exhaling to the right, as though you're shaking your head no. What is it that you know you can say no to, because it will not bring you the peace, the light, the love, the joy, whatever the power of the intention is that you set today? And saying no to the I shoulds, and saying no to anything that is of darkness. You can move quickly or slowly. Eyes are closed. Moving with the breath. Begin to slow it down, bringing the head to center, just pausing there a moment. And then inhaling, lifting the gaze high up to the heavens. Eyes could be open or closed. And then exhale down. What is it you desire to say yes to? That will brighten your spirit and bring you the wishes of your intention, the desires of your heart. You can move quickly or slowly. Try to close the eyes now to take the gaze within, focusing on the heart center, the spirit. Gently slow it down and bring the head to center. Pausing for a moment, feeling this new positive energy flowing in you and through you. You can even put a smile on your face. And gently flicker the eyes open. Swing your legs out in front of you. Extend them. Anchor your sit bones into the earth beneath you. And then inhale your arms high up to the sky. And exhale, fold forward. Wherever your hands land, take hold. And then, when you're ready, inhale, straighten the back, holding on to the feet, the ankles, or the shins. And then exhale, tuck the chin into the chest, curling the spine. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Moving with your breath, so you can move quickly or you can move slowly. Take the eyes, closing them for the inward gaze to the heart center, the spirit. And moving any stagnation in the body that's in the way of you living in the intention that you set, so that you can open to receive. Start to slow it down. And gently coming to center with a straight back, still holding on where the hands are, connected to the feet, the ankles, or the shins. And take a deep inhale. Hold the breath. Put a smile on your face. Keep holding the breath. Exhale out of the mouth. Let it all go. Release the pose and gently come down onto your back, finishing up this gentle flow with a moment of stillness, resting the left hand on your belly and the right hand on your heart, allowing the earth to support you and resting into this moment to receive the intention that you set, and staying here for as long as your heart desires and or as long as your time allows. Dropping into stillness, releasing to relax, to receive. Completely let go.